Students, now we have to draw the graph. First we will start with subdivided bar diagram. For subdivided bar diagram, first we have to draw x-axis. Now year on the x-axis, I have written here 2000 to 2001 and so on. And on y-axis, I have taken information of roads in lakh kilometer. And if you see 1 unit, 1 centimeter is equal to, I have taken 2. Okay, I have taken 2. See, after 2, I have written 4. I have not written 1, 2, 3, 4. After 2, I have taken 4. So 1 centimeter will be equal to 2 lakh kilometer. This is called as writing scale. 1 on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 2 lakh kilometer. So this, and you should also write the name of the axis, y-axis, and here x-axis. Now for subdivided bar diagram, as I told you, first what we will do, we will show the total. This, as I said, this is the way to do it in a very simple way. First we will show for the year 2000 to 2001. You have to show total 24. For 2001 to 2002, total 26. Then 2002 to 2003, 30. And 2003 to 2004, 39. So 24, 26, 30, 39. This total we will show first. This is the easiest method of drawing subdivided bar diagram. So we will get, see here, 2000 to 2001. First one, as I said, 224 we have to mark. Now 24 is here. Okay, 24 is here. So I'll just show it to you like this. And okay, 24 we have marked. Now permanent roads 14. So here I will show 14. Okay, this is 14. So just show like this mark. Now 14 from 0 to 14. This is permanent road. So what we will do now? Now we will show permanent roads and temporary roads. How we will know? So like this I can draw. So we can differentiate temporary roads and permanent roads. And it also looks attractive. So from 14 lakh kilometer, this is permanent roads. And remaining automatically will be, what is given temporary roads? 10. So you don't have to mark 10 now. 14 to 24. 24 minus 14, 10. So automatically this is 10. So what we can do it, we can show with the help of dots. Temporary roads. Okay, like this we can show. And then we can show it here. So here I have shown permanent roads and temporary roads. They like these dots, no? We can complete it very fast by putting the dots. So first bar we have drawn, and how nicely one bar is divided into 2 parts. That is called as subdivided. Now for the second one, for the year 2001 to 2002, our total is 2001 to 2000 total is 26. So what I will do now, I will show 20. See here, 26 total I am marking it. That is the easiest way to do. 26. So you draw the bar like this. And now what we will do? We will show permanent roads. Permanent roads 15. So where is 15? Now see, here there is 14 and after 14 there is 16. So 14 to 16. How many marks are there? 10. So this one mark will be 0.2, 0.4, 14.2, 14.4, 14.6, 14.8, and this exactly midpoint of between 14 to 16 will be 15. So here I will keep my scale like this and I will mark it. So this is 15, and then you have to draw like this so that you can differentiate between temporary and permanent roads. And remaining will be temporary roads. So you can just put dots like this. Second is over. Now third one. Third one is total 30 for the year 2000 to 2003. 30 we have to show. See here 30. It is actually 30 lakh kilometer. So here see like this, place your scale and mark it. And then draw the bar. Now according to the information here, permanent roads 17. So where will be 17 now? See, this is 16. This is 18. So midpoint of 16 to 18 is this. That is 17. So you will get here 17, and then we will, so this part is our permanent roads 15, 17, and temporary roads 13 for the year 2000 to 2003. So automatically remaining part will be 13 only, and if you want you can also check. So we will get like this dots you put. So this way we have completed the bar for the year 2000 to 2003. One bar we have subdivided. Two information is there. Now the last one is 2003 to 2004. Total is 39. So I have to show 39. The third part I think you all can do it. See, now while drawing this I made a mistake here. Here only I had drawn. So you on your own can do it for the third bar you only completed by taking total 39 and you show 20 and 19, automatically it will come. So the third bar you can draw for the year 2003-2004. See here I can take it here 30, this is 38. So this will be 39 and 40. So if you want I'll just draw it for y'all. See, here there is 39 I have shown, and like this bar will be there. So that, and what is permanent roads is 20 and temporary roads 19. So 20 very easy. 20 is here, see. So like this I will mark it. So this 20 will be permanent roads and 19 will be temporary roads. Okay. So I will show permanent roads. And temporary roads we can show it by dots. I can write here temporary roads, like this we can do. But you don't make like this mistake, just check it. So we have completed subdivided bar diagram.